I'm on my way to the dealership right now. I'm glad I covered up the boat because once again, like Ohio does, it's looking like it's about to start pouring down rain. I don't have any tools big enough to take off the old fittings for the water hoses that go on the bottom of the exhaust manifolds. So I have all 4 in the bed of the truck. I'm gonna take them there and just use one of their breaker bars. I should probably buy one, but I figured this is better in the short term. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna head home. If it's not pouring down rain, I'll probably go back to it, but I'm not sure, man. It's looking pretty rough.